Near the forest mailbox, something important sits buried in the snow. Animals hurry inside their homes to stay warm and safe. Just then, Kira the kangaroo hops along the snowy path.
What's this? These belong to our friends. My pouch can keep them safe.
Carefully, Kira tucks the letters into her warm pouch.
I can do this.
With a big hop, Kira begins her snowy delivery adventure. The storm grows stronger, but Kira keeps hopping forward. Soon, Kira reaches Benny the bunny's cozy burrow. Kira knocks gently on the door.
Kira, in this storm? Special delivery.
Thank you, Kira!
Kira continues her brave delivery journey. Next, Kira visits Molly the mouse.
Thank you, Kira!
Then she hops to Freddy the Fox's den. Finally, Kira reaches the tall pine tree of Wise Owl Orion.
Kira gently knocks on the tall pine tree. Wise Owl Orion appears from his cozy tree home. Special delivery.
You have done something wonderful today. Soon the storm begins to calm. All across the forest, animals read their letters by warm firelight. Thank you, Kira. That night, Kira rests peacefully in her cozy home. Even the coldest storms can be warmed by kindness.